Hi guys, welcome to the video, and in this video I'll be reviewing and opening a cheap set of wireless lave mics off Amazon. So let's get into it. So guys, here we have it. We have our wireless lave microphone set off Amazon, the cheapest one I could find. Part number is that one. I will also put a link in the description below if I think this is any good. Reading the reviews, it did have really high reviews, so let's open the box and take a little look. So it looks like your instruction manuals, etc. We'll put it down to one side. Packing is actually quite nice. Yes, this must be our little wireless devices. We have an accessory box. These are actually quite nice. This is quite small. Nice little clip on there. It looks like just a single button operation. Also looks like we have a locking cable for locking our microphones in so they don't slip out, and possibly other channels or maybe volume. So looks quite nice. This looks quite simple. I'm hoping there may be a hot shoe mount in there, because that would be a good plus if there is. A nice accessory packet here. This packaging is really nice. The packaging is really nice for a cheap wireless set. Oh yes, loads of accessories in here. So first one we've come to looks like a charging cable, a dual charging cable I would say. So that's really nice. That must be a charging port there and a charging port here. So yeah, that's actually really nice. That could come in really handy to plug into your car as you go into location to shoot or film, and make sure your mics are definitely charged up. So that could be a really nice add-on. Yes, there is a hot shoe mount here. Perfect. Or a cold shoe mount, should I say. That clip on there. That looks really nice. Nice and simple. And should work really well. Looks quite sturdy. Next one looks to be a dead cat for our microphones. So that would be obviously for when it is windy. This looks like a microphone here. Actually looks like we've got two microphones. Yes, we do. I only thought this come with a one microphone, to be honest. Yeah, it actually looks like we've got two. So we've got one that we can clip onto our shirts, which I most probably use. And it also looks like we have a headset one. Let me just have a look. This looks to be cables for a phone and cables for a camera. So I'll have a look at that. Yes, we do. We have two microphones. This looks like to be a headset one, which, to be honest, I probably won't use. But again, both microphones have the locking device, so you can't pull the actual microphone out of here, which is also very good. It's very good to have. I probably wouldn't use that, but would possibly come in handy for wedding receptions if you were having to catch voices, etc. Or possibly like teaching or lecturing maybe. So yeah, a nice little touch. I only thought it'd come with one microphone. So it actually looks quite really well built. Nice locking device to just turn in. Yeah, that's nice. That's not going to pull out of that at all. Nice little clip to hide on either your clients or even yourself if you're out and about on location shooting and you wanted to document it. Nice little clip. Nice little microphone. Very nice. Nice clip to clip onto your clothes as well. Actually quite nice. And again, this is for the top of your camera. This looks like that just clips into there. Yes, it does, like so. And again, very nice bit of kit for the money that we paid. We have our cables camera cable here. That obviously clips into there, and then that will clip into your camera or device that you are using. Very nice. So what I'll do, guys, is I'll swap over and I will test the sound quality and see if we can hear a difference. So we've actually got charge in it. There we go, green light connected. That is dead simple, very easy to connect, very easy to use. It's a matter of a button on and off. Full signal. That's absolutely fantastic. Hopefully this sounds pretty good. So let's change over microphones and I will do a sound comparison and see if this can be usable. If this looks pretty nice, to be honest, if it is something that is going to work and sounds decent, then it is definitely something I will be adding to my arsenal for my location shoots and making YouTube videos. I'll try and test the range on it as well. So there we have it, guys. I've switched over microphone systems, and as you can possibly hear, there is a small difference in the sound quality, but nothing that can't be fixed in post. I'm extremely impressed with this little guy. For only £35 off Amazon here in the UK, I will be adding this to my personal camera bag to make my own YouTube videos. It does have that safety clip, which is extremely good, and a flexi aerial. The safety clip here, I highly recommend, because I hate pulling out of your little wireless device when filming a video and losing all your sound. There is nothing worse than coming home to find out that has pulled out, that your microphone has pulled out of your wireless device and losing all your sound. So that's a great feature on this device, and without a doubt, I will be using this in my own camera bag. So there we go, guys. That is my personal review on this lovely set of Amazon wireless Lave mic set. I do recommend this product to anybody looking for a wireless set on a cheap budget. It is absolutely fantastic, and I will be using it personally for my own videos going forwards in the future. Now, I must stress I've not been paid to advertise this product in any ways by Amazon or even Alvoxcon themselves. This is an item that I will be personally using and have personally brought out of my hard-earned money. So I must stress that. There is a link below in the description that I have added where you guys can go and buy it yourself. I paid £35 for it, but prices do vary up and down on Amazon, as people will know. Once again, guys, thanks for tuning in. I hope I've been a help to somebody out there looking for a set of wireless Lave microphones for themselves, and hopefully I will catch you guys in the next one. Thank you.